Great Philosophers Who Changed Human History, Guides to Human Thought, Part 1. Throughout history, great philosophers have guided us on how to think, question, and understand the world. Their ideas on truth, morality, and life have influenced society, culture, and knowledge for centuries. This video introduces 50 great philosophers who changed human thought and left a lasting impact on history. 1. Socrates, Greece. Socrates was one of the first great philosophers of ancient Greece. He taught people to question everything and think deeply about truth and virtue. His ideas shaped Western philosophy and inspired many future thinkers. 2. Plato, Greece. Plato was a student of Socrates and the teacher of Aristotle. He wrote many books in dialogues about justice, law, and knowledge. His school, the Academy, became one of the earliest centers of learning. 3. Aristotle, Greece. Aristotle was a student of Plato and tutor to Alexander the Great. He studied nature, logic, ethics, and politics and wrote many important works. His ideas guided science and philosophy for over 1,000 years. 4. Confucius, China. Confucius was a Chinese teacher and philosopher who taught respect and morality. He believed in family values, kindness, and good government. His teachings became the foundation of Chinese culture for centuries. 5. Laozi, Lao Tzu, China. Laozi was the founder of Taoism, an ancient Chinese philosophy. He taught that people should live simply and in harmony with nature. His book, the Tao Te Ching, remains one of the world's most loved classics. 6. Siddhartha Gautam, Buddha, India. The Buddha was a prince who left his palace to find the meaning of life. He reached enlightenment and taught the path to peace and freedom from suffering. His teachings became the basis of Buddhism, followed by millions worldwide. 7. René Descartes, France. Descartes is called the father of modern philosophy. He is famous for saying, "I think, therefore I am." He explored how thinking and reasoning help us understand truth. 8. Immanuel Kant, Germany. Kant was a German philosopher who studied morality and reason. He believed that doing the right thing comes from duty, not just feelings. His ideas changed how people think about ethics and knowledge. 9. Friedrich Nietzsche, Germany. Nietzsche was a bold thinker who challenged traditional beliefs. He spoke about personal strength, creativity, and living life fully. His ideas influenced modern thought, art, and psychology. 10. Karl Marx, Germany. Marx was a philosopher and economist who studied society and class struggle. He believed that workers should have equality and freedom from oppression. His ideas led to socialism and changed political history worldwide. 11. David Hume, Scotland. Hume was a Scottish philosopher known for his ideas about knowledge and experience. He said that people learn through observation, not just reason. His thoughts helped shape modern science and psychology. 12. John Locke, England. Locke believed that all people are born with natural rights like life and freedom. He said governments should protect these rights, not take them away. His ideas greatly influenced modern democracy and human rights. 13. Thomas Hobbes, England. Hobbes thought that people need strong governments to keep peace and order. He believed that without laws, life would be chaotic and unsafe. His book Leviathan explains how society should be organized. 14. Jean-Jacques Rousseau, France. Rousseau believed that people are born good but society makes them selfish. He said true freedom comes when people follow the general will of the community. His ideas inspired democracy and modern education systems. 15. Voltaire, France. Voltaire was a French writer and thinker who fought against injustice. He supported freedom of speech, religion, and thought. His sharp wit and courage made him one of the Enlightenment's greatest voices. 16. Baruch Spinoza, Netherlands. Spinoza believed that God and nature are one and the same. He said that understanding nature helps us find peace and happiness. His logical and calm way of thinking influenced modern philosophy. 17. Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, Germany. Hegel believed that history moves forward through conflict and change. He said each idea leads to its opposite, and then to a higher truth. His complex ideas deeply influenced politics, art, and philosophy. 18. Søren Kierkegaard, Denmark. Kierkegaard is known as the father of existentialism. He said that each person must choose their own path and find meaning in life. His writings explore faith, doubt, and individuality. 19. Michel Foucault, France. Foucault studied how power and knowledge shape societies. He showed how systems like schools and prisons control people's behavior. His ideas influenced sociology, history, and politics in modern times. 20. Jean-Paul Sartre, France. Sartre believed that life has no fixed meaning until we create one. He said people are free but must take responsibility for their choices. His philosophy of existentialism inspired art, literature, and modern thought. 21. Simone de Beauvoir, France. Simone de Beauvoir was a French writer and feminist philosopher. She believed that women should have the same freedom and respect as men. Her book The Second Sex became a foundation for modern feminism. 22. Ludwig Wittgenstein, Austria, UK. Wittgenstein studied how language shapes our thoughts and reality. He believed that many problems in philosophy come from confusing language. His ideas changed how people study logic and communication. 23. Bertrand Russell, UK. Russell was a British philosopher, mathematician, and peace activist. He worked on logic and promoted clear, rational thinking. He also spoke strongly against war and supported human freedom. 24. Arthur Schopenhauer, Germany. Schopenhauer believed that human life is driven by desire and struggle. He said happiness comes from reducing our wants and showing compassion. His ideas influenced later thinkers, artists, and psychologists. 25. John Stuart Mill, England. Mill believed in freedom of speech and individual rights. He said people should be free to act as they wish, as long as they harm no one. His writings shaped modern ideas of liberty and equality. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.